A woman can quietly rewrite the entire story of your relationship in her mind without ever saying a word. She'll imagine the breakup, grieve the relationship, and emotionally move on long before you realize anything is wrong. And the reason might shock you. It could be because you didn't do something she deeply wanted yet never asked for. The scary part? Most men never see it coming. Before we begin, I need to admit something. I almost didn't make this video. Not because the topic is controversial, but because it reveals a truth many women rarely talk about openly. Studies on relationship communication have found that many women expect certain actions, gestures, and behaviors from their partners, but never directly ask for them. Not because they aren't important, but because they believe that if they have to request them, the meaning disappears. She would often rather go without what she wants than explain it. If you don't understand this, you may lose a woman who genuinely loves you and never know why. Today, we're covering 7 things women secretly wish men would do without being told. Some are romantic, some are emotional, and one of them silently destroys more relationships than almost anything else. Pay close attention to number 3. It changes everything. Let's begin. Number 7. Be her calm during chaos. Every woman has moments when her mind won't stop racing. Stress, work, family issues, or something someone said days ago can replay endlessly in her head. Most men try to solve the problem. They offer advice and solutions. While logical, that's often not what she needs in that moment. What she secretly wants is your presence, a hug, a hand on her shoulder, a quiet moment where you simply hold her and remind her that she's not carrying everything alone. Sometimes comfort speaks louder than solutions. And the truth is, she'll rarely ask for it. She wants you to notice. Number 6, say her name more often. It sounds simple, but hearing her own name from someone she cares about creates a powerful emotional effect. Most men rely on nicknames like babe or baby. Those are nice, but they're generic. Her name is personal, it's uniquely hers. When you say her name during a meaningful conversation, a special moment, or even while telling a story, it makes her feel seen as an individual, not just as your partner. She'll never ask you to do this more often because the magic comes from it feeling natural. The more personal your attention feels, the stronger the connection becomes. Number 5, show confidence, not jealousy. When another man notices her, she doesn't want you to become angry or insecure, but she also doesn't want complete indifference. What attracts her is calm confidence, a simple hand on her back, standing beside her comfortably, showing through your actions that you value her without feeling threatened. Confidence says, I trust myself. Jealousy says, I'm afraid. And women can feel the difference instantly. Number 4, make her life easier without being asked. One of the biggest sources of attraction isn't romance, it's relief. Women often carry countless responsibilities that nobody sees. Appointments, schedules, household tasks, and emotional labor constantly run through their minds. When you notice something that needs to be done and handle it without being told, it leaves a lasting impression. Maybe you take care of an errand. Maybe you fix a problem she's been worrying about. The task itself isn't the point. The fact that you noticed is. It tells her she's not carrying everything alone. And that's a feeling she never forgets. Number 3, keep choosing her after you've won her. This is where many relationships quietly begin to fade. In the beginning, you made the effort. You texted first, planned dates, complimented her, and showed genuine excitement to be around her. Then, over time, comfort replaced effort. The problem isn't that you stopped loving her, it's that you stopped showing it. What women secretly want is to feel pursued even after the relationship is established, not with grand gestures every day, but through small, consistent actions that remind her she's still special to you. A thoughtful message, a planned date, a genuine compliment. These simple moments tell her, I'd still choose you today. And that feeling keeps love alive. Number 2, tell her exactly what you like about her. Most men say, you look beautiful. That's nice, but it's also predictable. What truly stands out is specificity. Tell her what caught your attention. The way she smiles when she's excited, the way she laughs, the way she carries herself. Specific compliments feel real. They show you're paying attention. Women don't just want to feel attractive, they want to feel uniquely desired. When your words reveal that you've noticed details nobody else sees, those are the compliments she remembers long after the conversation ends. Number 1, guide her with confidence. This isn't about control, it's about presence. This isn't about control, it's about presence. A confident hand on her back as you walk through a crowd, gently leading her away from traffic, reaching for her hand and guiding her towards something you want to show her. Small physical gestures can communicate confidence, protection, and certainty without saying a word. Many women find this attractive because it shows you're comfortable taking initiative while still making her feel safe and respected. The key is confidence, never force. When done naturally, these simple actions create a sense of connection that words often can't match. So, there you have it. 7 things many women secretly wish men understood without needing to explain them. The goal isn't to become perfect or to read minds, it's to pay closer attention, be more present, and show care through your actions. Because relationships rarely fall apart from one big mistake. More often, they grow stronger or weaker through the small things we do every day. And now I have a question for you. Which of these surprised you the most? Leave your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into relationships and female psychology. I'll see you in the next video.